Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Spin It. It is a one wall dance. It's 3 parts and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the step-by-step instructions. You want to dance along with the music? Watch till the end and click on the video. Also check out the choreographer, John Woodhouse. He does a demo and an instructional. I would like to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so very kindly. I appreciate your support. And thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. Guys, y'all are so supportive. We are looking forward to having you in 2026. So, are you ready? Let's go. So, I'm going to stand on this side of the room. You stand here. We're looking in this direction. We're dancing side by side, okay? So, you're going to start with a quarter turn to your right, okay? So, it's going to be like a fade. 1, 2, okay? So you step on your right, left, and you do a quarter turn to your right. My toe is up. So I'm going to go right, left, tick, right, left. Okay? So my toe is up. I just made a quarter turn, right, left. My right comes back, right, left, tick, right, left. Okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, tick, right, left. Again, right, left, tick, right, left. Okay? So the first thing you're doing is your quarter turning. Right, left to your right. That's all you did was make 2 steps, right, left. Okay? So I press with my heel, my toe come up, right, left. Make that quarter turn to your right. My right leg is forward, my toe is up. I come back, coaster, tick, right, left. Okay, now let's add on. So then that was the right. So I'm going to brush on my right, brush, step, tap on my left. Brush, step, tap on my left. You got to tap on that left because I'm going to come back left, right, out. And that's the first count. So I brushed on my right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, which is 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now, let's put it together. Part 1. Quarter turn. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right? Let's go slow. Quarter turn. Right, left, step, tick, right, left, and brush, step, tap, left, right, out. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, from here, before you go any further, make sure you have this part. You have the part we just worked on. This is still part 1, okay? Part 1 we're going to do at the front and back wall. So we're going to do it twice, back to back. My left heel is out. I'm going to turn back on the left. Full turn. Left, right. Okay? Now my left is up. I'm going to do a coaster kick step. So I did turn back on the left, left, right. I did a coaster on the left, coaster kick on the left. So I'm doing a lot on the left. I turn back on the left full time. Left, right. I come back on the left. Coaster, kick, step. Then I'm going to my right. Tap, tap, kick, ball, change. When I do the tap, tap, kick, ball, change, my left leg comes to the front. Watch this. Tap, tap, kick, ball, change. Left leg is in the front. Tap, tap, kick, ball, change, turn. That is part 1. Okay? So when you complete all of part 1, it's going to take you to the back wall and you're going to repeat it again. I'm not going to do it on this wall. I'm going to make sure you know all the steps from this wall and you practice from this wall here, because there's just going to be a blind spot. You're not going to see me. All right? But it's the same footwork. So add the same concept. Quarter turn to your right. Right, left. Tick, right, left. Okay? Brush, and tap. Come, walk back on your left. Left, right, out. Turn back on your left. Left, right, back on the left. Coaster, kick, and right. Tap, kick, ball, change, turn. And that's part 1. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 out, 8. Turn 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right, I'm going to do it from this wall because you don't believe that there's a blind spot. So let's do the same thing we just finished doing that quarter turn to the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Brush 5, tap 6, back 7 and 8. Turn 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. See how you're looking back at the camera? You didn't see anything, okay? So, same thing. If I did it from this wall, you're just going to have a blind spot. Let's try it from this wall. It's going to be a blind spot. It's not going to work, okay? This is the best wall right here. So make sure you learn the step from this wall here. When you get to this wall, it's the same thing. Use the same footwork. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right, so keep on practicing that. That's part 1. This dance has no tags, it doesn't have a bridge, and there's no changes. So you're going to do 1, 2, and 3. I think there's 3 rotation, and then you walk off, okay? So part 1, you just completed. You're going to do that front and back wall. Part 2. Part 2, you're going to do at this wall twice. So you dip right, left, and roll. So 1, 2, 3, kick and cross on that left. So we dip right, left, roll. My weight is on the right. I kick and cross on the left. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick on the left, cross on the right. I step out on the left, tap right, and slide left, right. So I'm here. I just did a kick and cross. So I'm going to still move forward towards my left. I step, tap. Step on my left, go on to my left, tap on my right. I'm going to slide back on my right, slide left, right. Okay, let's put that together. So I dip, roll, kick and cross, step, tap, slide, left, right. Step, tap, slide, left, right. So I'm sliding back on the right, I'm dragging with my left. Slide, and I'm dragging with my left, okay? Left, right. So focus where your weight is, okay? So dip, 1, 2, roll 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Left, right. Slide, left, right. Then I'm going to tap on the left. Step, tap, step on the left, tap, step on the right, and walk around left, right, left, right. So it's 1, 2. So you tap on the left first. 1, and then step on the left. 2. Then tap and step on the right. 3, 4. Then walk around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to this wall. Okay? So all you're doing is to do a toe tap, going to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk. 5, going to do that step again with the roll. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, dip. 1, 2, 3, kick and cross, step, tap, slide, left, right, walk around, left, right, dip, right, left, roll, kick and cross, step, tap, slide, left, right, walk, left, right. Okay? It's that simple. Once you get part 1, you got it. Okay? You got it. When you work on part 1, don't worry about the tempo, okay? You're going to get that. Get the step. And once you got the step, you're going to start hearing the music, and then you're going to put the tempo and the rhythm to it, okay? And part 2 is easy, and part 3 is real easy. So let's put 1 and 2 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me get my count together because I did this in class. The count for part 1 and part 2 is different. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Turn 1, 2, close to 3 and 4. Tap 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Turn 1 and 2, tick 3 and 4. Brush 5, tap 6, back 7, out 8. Turn 1, 2, close to 3 and 4. Tap, then kick off chain, dip. 1, 2, roll 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip 1, 2, roll 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Yeah, it's a little bunch, but it really isn't. You just got to know the step. And that comes with practice. Practice. So I just worked on part 1 until I had 1, 2, 4, brush, tap, left, right, out, left, right, left and kick and tap, kick, off, change, turn. So I just worked on that part. Okay? If you're missing a step, go back. So that's 1 and 2. Dip, roll, kick and cross. When you kick and cross, you still got to step on that left. Step, tap, slide. Left, right, walk. Left, right. Understand the concept. Take your time and learn the step. Okay? Part 3. Part 3 is when we're going to actually spin it. Out, in, out, left, right, tap, left. So that's what we're doing in all 4 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So out, in, out, left, right, tap. So you go out and in, out, left, right, stomp on your left, and come back, left, right, left, out, and that's a 3/4 turn back. 1, out, right, out, in, tap, left, right, left. Now, you're not moving. Out, in, hold. So out, in, out. You're not coming in on the left. You're going out and in on the right, out. And go up on the left. Left, right, stomp. Left. Shoulder come back, 3/4 turn. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Keep it going. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 1. 1, 2, 3. Up on 4. 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, you're in place. You're going out and hold. Left, right, stomp. Left, left, left. That's part 3. Okay? You can do that all 4 walks. Part 2, part 1 is the front and the back walk. Part 2, twice, just at the front wall. Part 3, all 4 walks. Okay? With that left shoulder coming back, 3/4 turn. Spin it. All right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Turn 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Back 7, out 8. Turn 1, 2, close to 3, and 4. Tap 5, and 6, and 7. Dip. 1, 2, roll 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip. Right, roll, kick and cross. Step, tap, slide. Left, right, left, and right. Walk around. Out and in. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and start over again. All right? So spin it. Take your time and learn all the parts. Okay? Don't worry about the tempo. Get your steps together. Once you get your steps together, like, okay, I got all the steps together. I know the steps. Okay? Going into part 1 twice, doing part 2 twice, part 3. But I can't quite get the tempo. So, watch my demo and definitely watch John Woodhouse demo. Use my count. You're going to get it. Listen to the music. The music is going to give you the tempo, okay? All right? So, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That is Spin It. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.